All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. How to fix my mic. Let me just check the mic real quick on YouTube because sometimes it doesn't work. And I want to make sure it works because the audio will suck if it's not on. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. How to fix my mic. Let me just check the mic real quick on YouTube. All right, so it looks like the mic is working pretty good. Okay, so let's take a look at the markets really quick, and then we'll run some games of blitz here. So if we look at BTC right now, it's at 107.9. Really, to be honest, if we look at what was the price of BTC at the beginning of the year, we hit an all-time high pretty quickly of 109, and we're basically getting back to that price, right? So everything we did up until that point, we're basically just getting back to that point right now. The technicals look good. If you look at the BTC chart, it looks really good. Ethereum looks good. And again, I think altcoins, again, are poised to run. We've been getting a lag, I would say, again, for January, February, March, April, May, June. Just altcoins have been lagging. To be honest, if you look at the chart for most altcoins, the last 2 to 3 years, it's been a downturn. So I think it's going to be some bullish times in the next coming months for altcoins. I think BTC is going to keep moving up. Maybe we do get like a little dip in the BTC dominance. So that way some of that liquidity trickles into the altcoins. But right now, BTC is still looking pretty strong, right? Okay, so crypto market update. So Bitcoin is trading around 108, showing 24-hour basis weakness, but still up 1%. Ethereum's holding firm above 2,550, up 2.4% over the past day. Total crypto market is around 3.3 trillion, with DeFi, AI, and Web3 related altcoins drawing fresh investor interest. Yeah, I've always been talking about this, but DeFi, AI, Web3, all those type of coins are going to do well in this bull run. Reason being is because we had DeFi, basically regulation softened up with DeFi. You don't have all these people trying to take it down. We got favorable regulation, and then AI coins has just been the wave. AI has just been the wave. So crypto and times AI, just it's a good combination. So that area is going to do well, and then and anything Web3 related. Also, real world assets are expected to do well as well. Highlights: institutional flows in BTC spot ETFs remain healthy, supporting fundamentals. Yeah, there's a lot of reports are coming out that there's a bunch of inflows into BTC. And a lot of people say, well, if there's a bunch of inflows from institutional investors, why is the price still at 109? Why are we not at 140, 150, and so on and so forth? You got to understand, these people they don't buy on the market. So they buy their BTC off market. So you don't really see the impact to price right away, but over time you start to see that it almost the same thing happened when the first Bitcoin spot ETF got approved. There was a bunch of purchasing going on, but we didn't really see it until 6 months later, right? We were like at 50, 60,000, and then all of a sudden we went to like close to 100, broke 100, 104. So yeah, it just takes some time, but I think by the end of the year we should see that impact prices. Okay, so Fed and global rate cuts. The Fed has kept rates steady, projecting around 50 basis point cut total by the end of 2025. So if they're saying a total of 50 basis point by the end of 2025, it could be one rate cut, but again, they're projecting two rate cuts, so maybe it's two rate cuts of 25 basis points. Maybe they're not going to go heavy and do a full, do a 50 basis point cut. Definitely not going to do a whole basis point. But it looks like they'll probably do 2 quarters, and then next year maybe do something similar or do like 4. Let's see what else. U.S. economy remains solid, but it's decelerating. In June added 147,000 jobs with an unemployment at 4.1%. Q2 GDP around 2%. Okay. It says Trump administration has issued executive orders to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve. I think with the Genius Act pass, I think we already talked about this. They passed the bill. So I mean, we already knew that a strategic Bitcoin reserve was going to be made. We were just kind of waiting on the final regulations to go through there. Okay, so let's see what else. And that looks like it's pretty much it. So overall, crypto calm ahead of H2 catalyst. U.S. rates first cut likely in September. Global rates cut expected for banks in UK, Australia, Malaysia, India later this year. Economy, job growth, steady. Consumer caution rising amid macro uncertainty. And policy, U.S. formalizing crypto holdings, stablecoin regulation advancing. So yeah, it looks pretty good for the crypto market. Looks good for the market overall. Again, all this stuff with tariff. I just saw that Japan and Korea got 25% tariffs today. So I'm not sure. Again, that's probably just going to make them come to a deal, come to the table. But it looks like all the 90-day pause for tariffs got extended until August because I think that was supposed to expire here in July. But I think Trump has pushed it out to August. So again, getting bullish stuff coming in. And yeah, so let's play a game of Blitz here. Doo-doo, doo-doo. It's like in Blitz, people don't even pay attention. They just blitz in with their pawns. All right, so he's trying to do that. Darn it, that was a free. That was a free. Free bishop here. All right, let me slow it down. I think I'll be able to win this. There we go. Nice win right there. All right. I'll play one more and then I'll call it a day. I got to do a short stream today. Long day at work. So I don't want to push it. Darn it. Free rook. I think I gotta go right there. Yeah, you lost. All right. Grandmaster. New to Grandma. Oh, hey, what's up, man? I thought you were saying I was a Grandmaster, but that's your name. All right, let me do one more then. I'll do one more. I did 2 games. I won all 2. Let's do one more and call it a day here. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate you watching. Yeah, I saw that too. Want to play? It's my last one, man. I already played 2, and I got some stuff to do. But I go live Monday, Wednesday, and I'm going to go live Sunday. So if you want to play, come back those days and come early. So I usually start like around 4:35. But I appreciate you watching the stream. And you can add me too. You can add me on chess.com. Maybe if I'm playing, like, sometimes I'll play offline, so maybe you catch me there too. I just usually play random people. I don't like, a lot of people follow me, and I usually don't reach, like, I usually just play random people. All right, let's see what he's trying to do here. Oh, darn it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Hopefully, I don't lose this one. Played the. Oops. Darn it, and I gave that up. Playing bad this game. Can't win all of them. Yeah, he's gonna get me. All right, can't win all of them. That's pretty much it. But yeah, so the markets look. I think the markets look strong right now. We're just waiting for some catalysts to come, especially for the crypto market. I think right now it's just stagnant. I think we're gonna need something either like an altcoin ETF or some type of. It's usually one coin that starts the crypto rally. I think last cycle was like Solana, AVAX went, but I think for me it's gonna be one of the AI coins that go into the billion-dollar valuation or multi-billion-dollar valuation, and then that's going to trickle in, and people are going to start getting FOMO. Also, I think Binance listings as well. There's a lot of coins that are not on Binance in the AI space, and I think once they start to list, you get that Binance effect, and they start to pump really hard. So it just takes one to get the whole market moving. So we just kind of need that catalyst. Once we get that, I think we'll see some more green. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.